With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, in which of the following options chlorine will act as the best leaving group? And these are the compounds here. We have to check here in which of the options chlorine is the best leaving group. So let's start the discussion. So this is the first present here. So when chlorine will leave, so this chlorine is del negative, as it is more electronegative, so it will have a partial negative charge, and this is del positive, so this will have a partial positive charge. So when this chlorine will leave, it will take the 2 electrons with it, so it will be CH3 positive and the chloride ion. So here we can see this is a methyl cation. So this is a methyl carbocation. So a methyl carbocation is formed at this position. Now the second compound. So here also chlorine is a electronegative group, so it has a partial negative charge, and this has a partial positive charge. So what happens? Chlorine will take its electron and ethyl carbocation will be formed here, which is CH3, CH2 positive. So this is ethyl carbocation. Now the third one is this compound. Now as chlorine leaves this side, now what will be formed is CH3, CH and a CH3 group and a positive charge on this carbon atom. Now from this, the first one, we can see this is a so this compound has, so this methyl has, so this is methyl carbocation. There are 3 hydrogen groups which will provide inductive effect, but the inductive effect is very less in this case. Here we have a methyl group attached to this carbon atom. So due to positive inductive effect, this positive charge will be a bit less as compared to this. Now this is a secondary carbocation, as we can see here. This is a secondary carbocation. And here we can see 2 methyl groups are present. So by positive inductive effect, it will stabilize this carbocation to a larger extent. So the chloride will be, so it will be easy for chloride ion to leave. Now this is the last compound that we have. Now in this compound what happens is, if this chloride ion leaves, then the carbocation that will be formed here will be tertiary. C positive, CH3 and CH3. So this is a tertiary carbocation that is formed here. Now we all know tertiary carbocation is very stable. Now this positive charge is being, so this positive inductive effect will stabilize this positive charge here. So this is the most stable carbocation that will be formed along with, so chloride ion will be easily leaving this here. So the stability of carbocation is in the order, tertiary carbocation is the most stable one, followed by secondary, followed by primary, and the last one is methyl carbocation. So the stable carbocation will be easily, chloride ion will leave. So in this compound, tertiary carbocation is the most stable, so chloride ion will leave really fast here. So chloride ion will be best in the last option. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.